who is the most difficult person in your life you're trying to manage?
I think myself.
Yourself?
I mean, this is intellectually I'm thinking. Experientially, it could be many.
Acha. Very good.
Not anybody. I think I can't think of anyone who's so difficult. But I mean, situations come and go.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so the answer to her question is this. First, we have to understand this, and this is critical. I mean, this is actually the first step in spirituality. All our life, we are actually dealing with only one person, ourselves. For example, if you have a difficult boss, happens sometimes, or a difficult spouse, and say the boss says something to me, and I'm feeling bad. The instant reaction of the mind, which is always looking outside, is, my boss is like this, and why can't he be a little kind, why can't he be a little understanding, blah 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 blah. What I am missing is, I am not dealing with him, I am dealing with myself. As simple as that. I am dealing with the unpleasantness that has been created inside me. He may be the remote cause, he may be the trigger, but really what I am dealing with, for example, if I am deep asleep and my boss comes and shouts at me, do I feel sad about it? Because I am not there. It is, okay, I'm not going to make, now I'm going to make a statement. Okay, this is for the ages. मतलब I'm अपना ही तारीफ कर रहा हूँ, but it is not the situations that bother us, but our thoughts about the situation that bothers us. The situation, किसी भी situation में कोई problem है ही नहीं. It is our thoughts, our experience of life that we are dealing with. See, एक बार एक सूफी सेंट था. वो सब कुछ छोड़ के जंगल में बीच में बैठ के अपना उसने एक छोटा सा झोपड़ा बनाया to protect himself from nature, and he was doing his sadhana. One day he went out to collect some firewood and all, and he came back to his hut tired and exhausted in the middle of the night, and वो देखा कि छत पे, उसका जो छत मतलब thatched roof है, उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा छेद हो गया. Means half the roof fell down. And he lied down and he looked at that big, huge, gaping hole in his roof, and he said, "Wow, God, you are so kind. Now, whenever in the middle of the night I get up, directly I have the vision of the beautiful moon." मतलब उसका एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ का वही था. उसके मुंह से ये निकला ही नहीं, अरे भगवान, सब कुछ तुम्हारे लिए छोड़ दिया, तुम इतना भी नहीं कर सकते क्या मेरे लिए? तो क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है भाई तुमको? सब कुछ छोड़ दिया, एक रूफ को नहीं देख सकते तुम? उसके से नहीं निकला वो, उसका एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था. His experience of the situation, his thoughts around that situation, his emotion around the situation was one of pleasantness and gratitude. So the first thing to understand is, we are not dealing with anybody. We are not dealing with life. We are dealing with this piece of life which I call myself. अगर ये बात डीपली समझ में आ गई, मतलब ध्यान से देखें हम सब अपने लाइफ्स को, we are surrounded by people we find difficult to manage. This is the honest truth. All of us. Okay? But the point is, that is true for others also who are around us. They find us also unmanageable. That is the truth. First, we have to accept that also. Once we accept both these things, we will see that all the time I'm only dealing with myself. I'm dealing with my thoughts, my emotions, my stories, my concoctions, and my experience of life. And all of what we are really trying to do is to create more pleasantness in my experience of life. अब देखिए, अगर एक्सपीरियंस यही है तो अटेंशन वहां पे क्यों है? एंड दैट इज वेयर वी मिस द पॉइंट. सी, एक स्टोरी है, आई ऑफन टेल इन माय टॉक्स. आप लोगों ने शायद, इफ यू हैव हर्ड माय टॉक्स, यू हैव लिसन्ड टू दिस, बट स्वामी को स्टोरी बहुत पसंद था. जब भी मैं बोलता था, स्वामी यूज्ड टू लाफ. सो आई विल स्टिल रिपीट इट. ये स्वामी का फेवरेट था ये स्टोरी. एक बार एक आदमी एक हट के बाहर, ही वाज लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग डेस्परेटली, ही वाज सर्चिंग फॉर समथिंग आउटसाइड हिज हट. तो एक आदमी आया, वो बोला, भाई क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? बोला, मेरा एक रिंग है, गोल्डन रिंग, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव, वो गिर गया, वो ढूंढ रहा हूं. तो बोला, अच्छा चलो मिलके ढूंढते हैं. वेयर डू यू थिंक यू ड्रॉप्ड इट? तो वो बोला, आई एम 100% श्योर आई ड्रॉप्ड इट इनसाइड माय हट. तो बोले, यहां क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो? बोले, अंदर अंधेरा है, यहां रोशनी है, इसलिए यहां ढूंढ रहा हूं. It is just like that. Jim, life is happening only here. Why am I looking outside? Why is so much energy invested in fixing the world? It is like the mirror. अब अब बाल ठीक नहीं है मेरे, तो मिरर को थोड़ी फिक्स कर सकते हैं. मिरर को फिक्स करके क्या होगा? We are all the time trying to fix the world, fix my husband, fix my wife, fix my children, fix my boss, fix my whatever we're trying to fix my health, fix my wealth, fix my guru. I wish Swami took my letter. I wish Swami spoke to me. We're trying to fix up our guru also. Correct. But we're not seeing that life is happening here. It's always happening here. All the time, truly, from the cradle to the grave, from the first to the last breath, I am dealing with just one person, the person whom I call me. The guy sitting in my chair. I am just dealing with him. अगर ये clear हो गया, तो there is no reason for attention to go outward. Once attention has come back inside, things become very easy. I mean, at least things starts to happen. Really, things start to happen. तब तक तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. स्वामी ये कर देंगे, ये कर वो, मतलब, we are all doing all this. Now, don't get me wrong. I am not belittling any seva, any and sadhana or spiritual practice, but unless that inner vision has come, really there is no possibility of any dramatic transformation. That is definite. That can come in many ways. Any number of ways are there. I will not say that my way is the best, not at all. But this much is certain. Unless vision has become inner, वो U-turn हो गया हमारे vision में, and now I am most bothered about how life is happening here, and I am willing to pay attention to this, तब तक तो कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पॉसिबल है ही नहीं. कुछ भी आप साधना कर लें, इट हैज टू बी हियर. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हैपेंस हियर. इधर इसी में होता है, और कहीं कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता ही नहीं है. सो वंस अटेंशन हैज कम हियर एंड देन वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग हियर, then sadhana starts.